You guys, hope you're doing good. Today is absolutely very great day in the markets for me. I took this long move 1:7 hour. I will exactly explain how I took this trade using the liquidity analysis and the concepts I teach you in the last video about the money transfer. So first thing first, we should go to the 4-hour time frame to analyze the higher time frame trend. The higher time frame trend is the latest liquidity that was taken is sell side liquidity got taken out. We use the blue color for the higher time frame liquidity, and the price has just mitigated the order block in the hourly time frame. I have explained you in the last video about the money transfers concept. If you see here what happened is the liquidity got taken, the money got transferred, the money is transferred into this order block. Now the money got transferred into this order block. Now the money got transferred into this order block by the use of the bracket block. Again, this is all money transfers, money transfers. So the only zone that is not mitigated is here, right? The only zone that was not mitigated is this zone because this money is not being mitigated, right? So there is very high probability of price to give some reaction here, and also this liquidity is aligning with the point of interest. So it is a very high probable zone to look for. See, this reaction occurred because of this point of interest. Let's play the price. Yeah, same thing I marked as I show in the yesterday video for the money transfer. First thing we should look for the liquidity. Second thing we should look for the order block below or above the liquidity. Same thing I will draw here. For example, the price is moving in uptrend. If we wanna continue with the trend and enter the price, we should wait for the liquidity gap and wait for the point of interest to be mitigated, and then we should enter here at the money transfer, target this liquidity. Same thing in the downtrend also, liquidity, mitigation, money transfer, entry. This is how the oscillations of the price occurs. So when coming into the day, I marked this as the liquidity, previous days external liquidity. So I go to the 1 minute. This is the 1 minute. If you see here how the price oscillates before the movement of the price will trap the traders. The price will trap the traders. So the price gave fake break of the structures. Now the liquidity will be here because a lot of people will buy from here. So this is why the market makers gave this reaction to induce more buyers. So after these buyers got taken out, I entered it here, exactly here. This is the trade I took. Exactly. And again, for the scaling entry, this is the break of the structure. If you see here, this is the break of the structure. After the break of the structure, we can use FIB. At the 50%, we just got the dozy candle. At the dozy candle, I got entered again for the scaling. Stop loss just below the dozy. This one gave some good risk reward ratio, 7 RR. This is the conservative entry. This is the aggressive entry. So this is the trade I took on the GBUSD because of the higher time frame oscillations. The first thing I look at is the higher time frame trend. What the higher time frame is telling us? The higher time frame is telling us the sell side liquidity is taken out. When the sell side liquidity is taken out, we should look for the buys. And this is the efficient price action EPA because this whole zone money is not transferred it. So it should give some reaction before going to the downside. It should give some reaction, right? So that's why I continued the price. If you see here from this zone EPA, the price has reversed and took this liquidity again. Let me show you. If you see how the price structure oscillations work, this is the retailer trap again. This is the retailer trap. After the retailer trap taken out, you can directly enter here. Stop loss. 5 pip makes sense. Yeah. target this liquidity, because this is how the algorithm moves. It will take the liquidity and move up. It will take the liquidity and move down. This is the true style of the algorithmic trading. Again, if you see here, this is the liquidity that got taken out, so we can buy the price. Same thing. As I told you, we can buy the price. The same thing happened, right? The price is moving up. See, liquidity got taken out. See how the price is manipulating the people. If you see here, this is the retail pattern, right? Hope you have heard about the retail patterns. And this is the open liquidity. The market takes liquidity intentionally. If it want to go up, it will take the sell side liquidity. If you see here, the market engineered a lot of liquidity and took it the speed and aggression. After seeing this speed and aggression, many retail people will sell the market, like this. They will sell here and their stop loss will be here. Like this they will play. Retail will play just 1:1. So that's why they are never profitable in the marketplace, because of this silly strategies. So we buy the market. 4.5 pip stop loss makes sense. Or if you wanna be conservative, you can use 9 pip stop loss. No point. See, easy strategy. We can target this liquidity because the market moves from liquidity point to the liquidity point, right? See here, if you follow the oscillations of the price here again, what is the high time frame liquidity? The 15 minutes liquidity is telling to the price to move up, but in the 1 minute the sell side liquidity is taken out, so we can buy again and target this liquidity again. Because see the oscillation of the price is moving like this, and because the market maker ran out of the liquidity because to provide the buys here, so they took the money, so the price will move and take this liquidity again. This is how the price moves. See, it took a lot of liquidity. See, can you see? It took all this liquidity and move up. As I told you, after the break of the structure, you can enter as a conservative entry at the doji. This is the break of the structure, and this is the 50%, and there is a doji candle. You can enter here. There are lot of trades today. Today is a great algo session to me. Same strategy. We use the same strategy at the liquidity point. Break of the structure 50% doji candle. Break of the structure 50% doji candle. Building up of orders liquidity grab target. Building up of the orders liquidity grab target. We got TP hit. Simple trading. 100% win rate today. So to learn this style, you can go to the comment section. I am offering the one-on-one calls on this weekend more properly. You can just WhatsApp me. I provide my number in the description and comment section. Peace, guys.